Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 Ayurvedic face masks for healthier glowing skin. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get into this video. So for the first face mask, we're going to need hibiscus powder and honey. Honey is very moisturizing for the skin. Honey is baked. Put in some teaspoons of hibiscus and water. Then I'm putting honey as well, 1 spoon of honey. And then I'm just mixing it until it's a smooth paste, smooth consistency. You know, you don't want it lumpy, you want it to be perfectly smooth. So just mix it. So it's time for applying the face mask on my face, and I'm applying it on clean face, okay? And I just want to tell you the benefits of hibiscus. Hibiscus helps to exfoliate your skin, leaving it smooth. It's also an anti-aging agent, which also helps in cell renewal. Like, hibiscus is baked for your face, and honey as well is very moisturizing, okay? So this face mask, I've been doing this since like March, and it just leaves my face smooth and shiny and alive, guys. You should try it. You should definitely try it, okay? All right. Make sure you get it like under your eyes, okay? Because in your neck as well, all these problem areas under your eye, your neck, you want to get it everywhere. So guys, I'm leaving it on my face for 10 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it off. Look at my skin. It is popping. It is popping thing. I'm using a clean towel to just clean off the water off my face. And yeah, that's face mask number 1. Alright, so moving on to face mask number 2, we have turmeric. And turmeric is also baked, an Ayurvedic powder that I love. And then I'm going to be mixing it with lemon and also coconut oil. Alright, so let's go to the mixing. So I'm going to be putting 2 spoons of turmeric powder and also lemon. I'm just going to squeeze this inside my bowl like so, and then I'm putting 1 spoon of coconut oil, and then you want to mix this until it's a smooth consistency, until it's a smooth paste. You don't want it lumpy. No, you don't. So guys, it's time to apply, and I'm just applying it like so, and I'm just going to share with you the benefits of turmeric. Turmeric brightens your skin. It provides a glow and luster to your skin. It also helps to reduce acne scars. It helps to clear breakouts because of its inflammatory components. Like, turmeric is big. Like, it's also edible as well. It's just an amazing Ayurvedic powder. And also with the combination of lemon, that also helps to brighten your skin as well. Like, it just gives your skin this fresh glow. You guys should try this. Like, I'm giving you the tea on an amazing face mask. Try this and let me know in the comment section your result. Alright, make sure you get it on your neck. Like, you need to get it on your neck. You don't want your face to be lighter than your neck. You don't want that, okay? You do not want that. I'm going to leave this mask on my face for 10 minutes, then I'm going to rinse it out, and I'm going to use a clean towel just to pat the water off my face and make sure my face is dry. Look at that. Next, I'm going to be using aloe vera powder, and I'm also going to use tea tree oil for this as well. Tea tree oil is amazing, guys. I'm going to be sharing with you the benefits. And yeah, I'm taking 1 spoon of aloe vera powder. Then I'm adding water and 3 drops of tea tree oil, and I'm just mixing it. I realized that the water I put was not enough, so I'm putting another spoon of water, and I'm just mixing it. Mixing till it's smooth. You don't want it to be lumpy. right? That's smooth enough. So now I'm gonna go to the application, and I'm just applying that on my face, and I'm just like amazed at the tea tree sensation I'm feeling. Like, it just feels amazing. So guys, aloe vera is big. Aloe vera helps with sunburn. If you look at my face, I actually have sunburn on my face, so it's really good for that. It also prevents your skin from having wrinkles. Like, it's anti-aging. Like, if you don't want to have wrinkles when you're in your 40s, start using aloe vera powder now. Like I would told you, that use aloe vera powder in your face mask. It helps with wrinkles. And then tea tree oil is also good for like soothing your skin. It helps with infection and itchy skin. Like, tea tree is also good for your natural hair as well. Like, it's amazing. So guys, I'm going to leave that on my face for 10 minutes, and voila, I've rinsed it out, and I'm cleaning my face with a towel. After cleaning your face, you can either go with sunscreen or a moisturizer. Since it's nighttime, I'm applying a moisturizer on my face. If I was going out, I'll use sunscreen, and that's basically it. These are 3 DIY masks that you can use for your popping skin. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down in the comment section. Let me know if you try any of this Ayurvedic powder face mask. Till next time, bye guys.